I'm Kevin.
And I'm Andrew.
And this is our 1991 E30.
All right. Another day, another video. Today we're going to attempt to take off the soft top because it's time. And yeah, so let's see how this goes. Come along for the ride. So as the amateurs, we're going to try and attempt to this for your entertainment. We're going to start pulling off this seal here, and I think some of the other seals. And then we'll start unscrewing the soft top from the back and seeing how easy or hard this glue is to take off. Yeah, we watched a couple of videos on this. I'll link those videos in the description because people definitely did this before we did, and we were told to try and be very careful with these seals if we plan on keeping them, and this is one of them that we do plan on keeping. Yeah, we bought a new front one, but this back one seemed good enough. Gotta figure out how to put that back in, but yeah, might be a little tedious with the rubber. We'll figure it out. Yeah, all good. Cool. See? Overall, good shape. I think there's a little break here we'll have to glue or do something with. It's actually not as stiff as I thought it was going to be. Yeah, it's pretty soft. All right, you can label that maybe or something like rear seal. In parallel, there are screws all around the seal channel. Take those off too. There's also one screw already missing. That's interesting. The center screw's missing from this, which I'm kind of surprised to see given how rusted everything already is. But I do notice that a couple of these screws are different than the others, which makes me think somebody was back here before we were. So if you notice, there's actually one screw missing, and then this screw is different than the rest. So somebody was definitely back here before.
Forest of my mind, oceans are in blue, like trees are reaching high, up above the blue.
For our knowledge, when it's time to re-put this back on, it's really hard to see, but the corner of the soft top is kind of tucked under the frame so that when you start gluing it back on, it's taut and tight. So just keep that in mind. Okay. All right, so we peeled that off. And I think the guy said, oh, okay, I just not broke it, but like once again, glued up here. I just kind of broke that glue, just get more. And then, oh yeah, so like we could go like this now. This part is glued, yeah. Just peel it by hand. Yeah. There you go. Then we'll have to, break it off a little bit. Nice. All right, and then this part is glued on as well. Yeah. So my corner is peeled up. Where's that O-ring pick? Ooh. Yeah, I just did this from the corner, pulled down, and then broke it, and then we can go like this again. No, go from high. Go from high and work your way down. Yeah. There you go. And once you have a little bit off, then you could just pull it by hand again once the corner is free. Yeah, it's still stuck in here. All right, so we were able to peel off all layers. As my brother briefly mentioned, this inside was glued down to the frame, and then this bottom piece was glued on top of that, and then this top piece was glued on top of that. So before the rail went on. Yeah, before the rail, the final rail that we took off with the screws. So as you can see, I don't know what I was expecting, but it's just old glue, honestly.
old glue buildup that I'm sure we'll have to clean up, sand it off for a bit so that there's a clean surface once we reglue. Cool.
All right, let's grab those.
What's next?
We're gonna remove that back section.
Okay, after about 15 minutes of struggling and not knowing what to do, we referenced the BMW service manual because, yeah, I'm not that smart. So we learned that we do need to replace, or not replace, we need to remove basically all seals. So this seal is connected to the front, which we're going to replace anyways. We have a new one of these rubber gaskets because that's where it was leaking from. And then from here, we'll be able to access some screws to basically do what we did on the back, but on the front. So remove the seal, remove the screws, peel off the glue, remove the soft top, and then from there, it should alleviate some tension on this C corner, and we'll be able to then pull this off. There are some rivets on the frame that I guess technically need to be removed by being drilled out.
We'll see if we actually have to do that.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see if we actually need to do that. So for now, let's get started on this part. Seal, right? Just like we did in the back.
Yeah, pull this one off.
Yeah, this one came. Oh, you already got yours off?
Yep.
Wait, is yours not connected to the front?
Yeah, I peeled the middle one off.
Oh, the middle one. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, I'll take the middle one off too. See, we got to label these though, just so they slot back in.
Yeah.
Properly. We should probably order a new one of these.
I know. These are. I was hoping not to.
I know, but they're
pretty bad.
They're pretty bad.
Yeah,
how much were these?
These run like $1.20 a piece.
Really?
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
The new one was at $350.
No.
It was, right?
Not the rubber. No, the rubber was also 100 something. I'll check on these though, just to be safe. Leave them here on the side.
Up for this. All right, that's fine. Oh.
Across the starry sky, ride the ebbs and flows. Oh, I'm floating with the breeze in the gentle sway. Think I might just stay. Oh, come join me if you please. Got out of the way.
Oh, it's sharp.
It is sharp, yeah. So after we removed all these screws, we're now able to kind of pry off this front frame.
Oh yeah.
Hold
Oh
it.
yeah. I think this is where the.
Ready to take the sides off?
No, we gotta rip this off like that.
I don't even have access to rip it off like that. So.
Yeah, you do. Right there. You see the underside?
No. This? All this
junk, yeah.
You want to know how I know somebody else was here also?
Tell me.
Look, right here. These screws, these side frames, move your arm. This screw is a Phillips. This screw is a what? Six pointed, and then Phillips. So. Okay, so we were told that we may not need to replace this cable, but we definitely need to. So we already have this one actually in hand, right? You have it in hand?
I have both, yeah.
Okay, the only things that we don't have are the gas struts that I pointed out last video. So we're gonna have to find some because they're out of stock. Anyways, just pointing that out. We were able to peel off the frame from the front, Now we need to figure out how to get this off this corner. So there are a couple of rivets behind this seal attached to the frame, and the OEM video said to drill them out. So I already did that side, and now I got to do this side. So one done, and two done. Okay. So now we should just, there you go, just pop that right out. Okay, so after we drilled those two rivets out, we were able to remove the rubber. There was also two what we thought were just Phillips screws holding in another side piece frame. The passenger side had, I don't even know what these are called. I mean, this is a nut in a bolt, sure, but this other side was like a plastic piece.
No, it's rubber.
Oh, rubber piece.
It's like a squishy rubber piece.
So whoever, I mean, literally whoever was in here before us really just grabbed some.
Well, no, this side also is rubber.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
but it's smaller rubber.
But it's smaller rubber.
And it's a different bolt.
Let's go look. Oh, watch your hand. All right. Oh, I see what you mean now. So that's rubber up top?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I bet you it's a little.
All right. So I guess we need to drill out these rivets as well. I think these are supposed to be screws, but as you can see, like, look, this one's black and these two are silver. So I'm pretty sure these were supposed to be screws as well. Because there's only supposed to be 3 rivets, and now there are 5. So go ahead and drill those out. Okay. Drilled out the extra 3 rivets that we didn't know we needed to do, and hopefully now this should now just pop right off, and it is. Great.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Nice.
So now we can finally access the felt or material behind that piece. And
here, let me get it. Watch out.
Yeah. Honestly, let's keep shop vacuum.
Yeah.
While we do this. So we're trying to clean as we go. A lot of shaving bits, etc.
Okay. Now.
After a long, hot day in the sun, we were able to strip it. Next steps would be to remove these tension straps, which I think are also riveted.
No, they're all screwed.
They're all screwed?
Everything is screwed except for this last one. Those are riveted.
Okay, so it's riveted in the back. So
yeah.
We have to drill those out and redo these as well. But we'll redo the tension straps. We got to replace the cables, which we have replacements for. And we need to order some gas struts, as I mentioned. Additionally, I think we got to order some goo off or goo beacon, whatever that stuff is, to clean up all this nastiness and prep it to add the new one. And then from there, we move on. So, anyways, there's the aftermath.